Take a ride in the 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.